Welcome back to my little kitchen, and I'm going to be showing you today how to make mint and coriander chutney. Really simple, really easy, just a few ingredients and you're going to have the best chutney ever made at home from scratch. So first of all, we're going to throw in the mint, a good bowlful, straight in, then the coriander. And then I've got 4 green chillies here. Add according to your taste preference. If you wish to add more, add more. If you don't want to add that many, don't add that many. And salt. I've got a teaspoon of salt there. And then we're going to just blitz this very quickly. Put that out of the way for a sec. Look at that gooey greenness. Take that off. Take it all off. Get a spoon. Should we do that? Right. Okay. Okay. Now all you need to do is just to add the yogurt straight in. And then mix. And that is homemade mint and coriander chutney. And it honestly doesn't get any better than this, guys. I'm just going to taste it now just to see if the salt is fine. Just needs a little bit more salt, so I'm just going to sprinkle some in. It's not too much, just a little. Like that. Perfect. Just garnish that like that. Beautiful.